again. This time, let's talk about planning. Now, planning is obviously a very, very important part of any application for renewable energy. If you're going for anaerobic digestion, then it's a much simpler process. Because most of the process is actually buried under the ground, and when we dig the trench to put most of the big buildings in, we then take that earth, landscape it over the sides, landscape it with bushes, etc., and it almost becomes invisible. And it also means you get rid of your slurry pits and your storage facilities. So planners look very, very favourably on anaerobic digestion. It's very rarely a problem. In fact, some planners even consider it to be permitted development and allow it to go ahead under devolved powers. Now, they're wrong. It should actually have planning permission, but I'm not in a rush to tell them they've made a mistake. If you want a Windtronics turbine for your house, then again, that's much, much easier. It comes under what's called permitted development. Now that means that providing it's no more than 15 metres high if it's on the roof of your house, or 11 metres high if it's on a pole in the garden, and providing it's 5 metres away from the boundary of your property, it comes under permitted developments under section 42, and you don't technically need planning permission. I would, however, suggest that you contact your planning officer and inform him that you are going to put a micro generator on your property, and he will then look in the book and go, oh, yeah, so it is. Okay. Now for bigger wind turbines, such as CNF turbines, that's a different matter. You do need planning permission for that, and there are some hoops you might have to jump through. You might have to do environmental reports, water course reports, bird reports, bat reports, etc. Now for us that's not a problem. We have our own planning department, and all of our people that work with us have been council officials before, and so they know how to answer these questions, and they know the silly questions that might get asked in the first place. That means they have all the answers ready for them. In fact, when we send in a planning application, it already has a report with it that answers many of these questions before they're even asked, so it makes the process a lot simpler. If you want to do it yourself, perfectly okay, we've got no problem there. We sell turbines, we don't sell planning permission, but it is part of the one-stop shop we provide for you to help you get through the planning problems. If you have any more problems about planning, please feel free, just give us a ring or drop us an email, and as before, all our advice is free, and we've been more than happy to help you in any way we can. So, till next time, bye bye.